In this video, we shall start discussing types of stairs. So, what are different types of stairs? Straight stairs, quarter turn stairs, half turn stairs, three-quarter turn stairs, circular stairs, geometrical stairs, bifurcated stairs, and spiral stairs. Under half turn stairs, that is subdivided into dogleg stair and open newel or open well staircase. Open newel staircase is also called as open well staircase. So we shall discuss one by one. Straight stairs, as its name suggests, the staircase is a straight stair. There is no change in the direction. So this type of stairs are running continuous throughout their entire length in one direction only. There is no change in direction. It runs in only one direction. This type of stairs are used for small houses where long but narrow space is available to accommodate the single flight of the stairs. Where there are limitations of the space available is less, in that case single flight is provided. So it comes under this stairs. They may be provided in single flight or in two flights with landing between the two flights. So in case of this staircase, normally it consists of single flight. Sometimes if the distance between two story is more, in that case in between two flights additional landing is provided to take the rest. So in that case it is divided into two flights. So this is regarding straight stair. So what is straight stair? So this straight stair, it runs continually throughout the entire length in one direction only. It consists of only one flight. Sometimes in between this landing is provided to take the rest. In that case there may be two flights. So wherever space limitations are there for small houses in villages, this type of stairs are provided. Now next is quarter turn stairs. A stairs running through one right angle, that is 90 degree, is known as quarter turn stairs. So in case of this, the stairs turn in 90 degree. Like this, it is called as quarter turn stair. The change in direction can be achieved either by introducing a landing or by providing a winder. So in case of this, 90 degree change in direction is there. So this 90 degree change in direction, it can be achieved by providing this type of landing, or sometimes if space limitations are there, winders are provided. So change in direction can be achieved with the help of winders. So what is winder? Winders are nothing but these are the triangular stairs. These are also called as tapered stairs. The tapered stairs are provided and these are called as winders. This type of stair is commonly used in the public building near the entrance. This staircase has either equal or unequal flights. It is having equal flights or sometimes unequal flight to reach from one floor to another. So here you can see this is first flight, second flight, and this is the third flight. Like this, it is divided. When the direction of the flight is changed at right angles to the left or to the right, quarter turn stairs are used. So quarter turn stair, in that case it is used. So in case of quarter turn stair, it turns through 90 degree. The change in direction can be achieved with the help of landing or sometimes with the help of winders. Winders are nothing but triangular steps, or you can say tapered steps. Now half turn stairs. So these stairs change their direction through 180 degree. So this is called as half turn stairs. So this is the flight. One can climb from this like this and then turn 90 degree. Again for next flight, turn 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So this stair change the direction through 180 degree. A half turn stair may be of dog-legged or open newel type, open well or open newel. So this stair is called as dog-legged staircase. So what is dog-legged staircase? In case of dog-legged stair, as name suggests, it looks like a dog leg. It looks like a dog leg. In case of dog-leg stair, the flights run in opposite directions and there is no space between them in plan. In case of this, flights run in opposite direction. This is the first flight and this is the second flight. This is running in this direction, this is running in this direction. So flight runs in opposite direction and there is no space in between these two flights in plan. So if you observe from the top, you will not find any space between two flights or very slight space, right? Maybe up to 10 centimeter. Its name is derived from its appearance in the sectional elevation. In the sectional elevation, it like say dog leg, right? This is one direction and the second like a dog leg. These stairs are usually useful where total width of space available for the staircase is equal to twice the width of steps. The total width which is available to take the staircase twice the width of stair or flight. In that case, dogleg staircase is provided. So this is the plan of dogleg staircase. This is the sectional view of the dogleg staircase. This is also a sectional view of the dogleg. So one can climb like this. This is ascending, again ascending, right? This is the landing. This is the flight, first flight. And this is called as second flight. And this is the balustrade computer assembly. At the top you will find the handrail. So this is regarding dogleg staircase. Now open well or open well staircase. It is similar to dogleg staircase, but in between two flights, the space is provided. It looks like a well from the top, right? This is not an exact view of open well staircase. So here this is the first flight, and then this is the landing. So additional landing will be there. In between these two flights, there will be space. In the plan, the space will like this. If you observe from the top, it looks like a well, and that's why it is called as open well staircase or open well staircase. Space between the upper and lower flights causes half space landing to be longer. This well may be rectangular or of any geometrical shape, and it can be used for fixing lift. So nowadays this is the trend. Nowadays the trend has become. So here the ample space is left so that here the lift can be provided. These stairs are useful where available space for staircase has a width greater than twice the width of the steps. Ample space is available. The width of the staircase is greater than twice the width of the flights. In that case, open well staircase is provided. Now 3/4 turn stairs. 3/4 turn. 1/4 turn is equals to 90 degrees. So 3/4 turns are there. 3 90-degree turns are there. So if you observe here, this is the first 90 degree, then second 90 degree, and this is the third 90 degree. 3 90-degree turns are there, and that's what is called as 3/4 turn stair. In this case, an open well is formed. In this case also, obviously this type of open well will get formed. This type of stair is used when the length of the staircase is limited and when the vertical distance between the two floors is quite large. Length of the staircase is limited, but the distance between two floors is more. In that case, 3/4 turn stair is provided. The adjustments is done in the flights. So this is a small flight, then big flight, again small flight, and again small flight. This type of stairs are used when the length and the breadth of the stair room is limited and the vertical distance of two floors is quite large, quite high. So this is very good elevation, 3D view of this 3/4 turn staircase. You can see like this, one can climb 90 degree, 90 degree, and after going to this again there will be 90 degree. So this type of stairs are used when there are step limitations and the vertical distance to cover to be large. This type of staircase is provided. Now next is circular stairs. As the shape of this staircase is circular in plan, it is called a circular type of staircase. Circular stairs are usually made either of RCC or metal. Normally metal stairs are used and is placed at a location where there are space limitations. So when space limitations are there, in that case circular stairs are prepared normally in storerooms, in shops, where space limitations are there to reach from, or in between one floor is there, imaginary floor is, additional floor is there, or a loft is provided to reach to a loft. This type of staircase is provided, called as circular stairs. Sometimes these are also used as emergency stairs and are provided at the back side of a building. Sometimes these are used as a emergency stair. So here this type of vertical post, central post will be there, and then this type of winders will be there, right? These are not comfortable because all of the steps are winders and provide discomfort. So in case of this type of central post will be there, and here the tapered steps or triangular steps will be fixed along the circumference with reference to this vertical post, central post. So it is little bit discomfortable, it is not comfortable. So this is regarding circular stairs. Now next is a geometrical stairs. As name suggests, it gives geometrical shapes. That's why it is called a geometrical stair. So this is nothing but it is you can say open dual staircase. In case of open dual staircase, this is a half space landing with landing, and here if this type of continuous steps are provided, winders are provided, then here you have to give this type of shape, geometrical shape, and that is called as geometrical staircase. This type of stair is similar to the open dual stair, except that well formed between the two adjacent flight is curved. Well formed is curved. The handrail provided is continuous. So in case of this handrail is continuous. Here you can see in this elevation. It's very good. They're looking very attractive. These stairs have no dual post and or of any geometrical shape. These are having any geometrical shape. The change in direction is achieved through winders. Winders are used to take the or to change the direction. The stairs require more skill for its construction and are weaker than open dual stair. These are weaker than open dual staircase. And in case of this, construction is little bit difficult at the same time, because here the dimension of these steps will be different. Every step will be unique step. So this type of staircase is uneconomical, because here more type of formwork is also required, because after all that formwork cannot be used. Repetitions are not possible in case of geometrical staircase, because each step is unique step and skilled labors are required, and that's why geometrical stairs are uneconomical. Now coming to bifurcated stairs. As its name suggests, it is a bifurcated stairs. So here the single flight is bifurcated into additional two flights, and that's what is called as bifurcated stairs. These stairs are so arranged that there is a wide flight at the start. So this flight is starting flight is wide, which is subdivided into narrow flights at the mid landing. So here this is the first flight is little bit wide. It is not predominant in this sketch, but it should be wide, and then at the mid landing it is subdivided into two flights. One is going to left and one is going to right, and that's what is called as bifurcated stair. The two narrow flights starts from either side of the mid landing. These stairs are suitable for modern public buildings. So normally in serials, if you observe, you will find this type of staircase are provided. It looks like a good Raj Mahal, you know. So here you can see this is the big flight, starting flight, then subdivided into two flights, bifurcated into two flights from this mid landing. It giving very good appearance in case of luxurious houses, VIP houses. This type of bifurcated stairs are provided, where from here the views at the bottom is possible. This is a bifurcated stair. Now spiral stairs already we have discussed. In case of the spiral stairs, it comes under geometrical stairs also. These stairs are commonly used as emergency exit. It consists of a central post similar to circular stairs supporting a series of steps arranged in a form of a spiral. At the end of steps, continuous handrail is provided. Such stairs are provided where space available for stair is very much limited. So this is regarding spiral stairs. In case of circular stairs, diameter is constant, but in case of this, it may vary. Spiral stair. So this is all about different types of staircase. Hope technically you understood all types of staircase. Thank you.